My name's Barbie the Welder and I'm a full-time metal sculptor. I was approached by all gas companies to create a logo sign for them and a welding showroom sign for them, and this is how I created it. I hope you enjoy the video. It's time to start welding. My favorite part. Logo is finished being welded. I use silicon bronze and TIG welded all the way around it. You've noticed I've got clamps on it and I've got it tack welded to the bench, and that's because this piece of 1/2-inch plate steel is actually going to act as a heat sink and draw some of the heat away. I put a lot of heat onto the front, and if I don't tack it and clamp it, it will cringle up like a chip. It's an official term. So I'm going to get it cleaned up, and then I'm going to take it off of here and see if it stayed straight. I've let it cool off overnight, and if not, then I'm just going to go and over bow it, and then it'll come back to straight. Either way, we'll get it straightened out, and then I get to move on to the next step. Freaking day